where the band above your knee. This is so important for right now. And just first exercise, use the knee.
Before going into the exercise, I would like to highly recommend my body movement course. The course includes many hours of video material divided into the chapters: body isolation, body stabilization, orange technique, beatbox technique, exercise band, universal spin, and bonus from my gym training. Today you can buy this course at promotional price. If you have any questions, write in the comments or to following address captain@captainsalsa.eu.
And every time if you will push your knee forward, spread the exercise band in two directions, forward and back. This is so important, yeah? And just spread. And then first heel, hit with your heel, then spread legs, and this is beginning position. This is position, for example, 0. Then use your knee forward and spread the exercise band forward and back, yeah? Then heel hit, then back to the beginning. Do not push your legs to floor, just hit, yeah? One more time. Beginning position, position 0, then knee, spread, fill, spread more, then heel, then position 0, and knee, spread, heel, position 0, knee, heel, position 0, spread, heel, position 0, spread, heel, position 0, spread, heel, spread, heel. Okay, we will add the transfer from legs to leg. Will help you understand more our movement from our legs. Okay, now with your straight legs, but your knee must be in a relaxed position. This is too much and this is better, yeah? You must be active. You must have intention for change your direction, for change your position, yeah? That the knee must feel this. Okay, and now push your hips side by side from this point, from rib cage to edge of your legs, edge of your legs. Do not move this line, yeah? Okay, next push to your left, then use your knee, push your knee, then heel, beginning, position 0, transfer your body, do not use your knee, straight knee, transfer, and knee straight, and hit on floor, 0, transfer with the straight legs, the knee, heel, position 0, transfer, the knee, spread your band, heel, and position 0, hop, knee, heel, position 0, transfer, knee, hit, position 0, transfer, knee, spread, of course, the exercise band. Okay, you control your knee, control your legs. Do not move like that. Just one line you can a bit push from this part and press your legs. Feel the volume here. Press. Hit. Position 0. Transfer knee. 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 Hit. 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 Okay. A bit to music. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Faster. This direction, my left, your right. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 8 and 1, 4 and 5, 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 8 and 1, and faster. 8 and 1, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 8 and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 8 and 1, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Keep going, keep going. And now 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 8 and 1, 2, 3. Spread the legs. 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3. Keep going. 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3. 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Keep going. 6, 7, 8 and 1. Transfer and use your knee. Okay, I think so that it's enough. I'll go to the next exercise with band exercise.